overhead SCA nanka ye overpass no. Ya anye ene egusua ena yesi mo per point aye kwan e de amamo. And all the inconveniences I would do kroma nyina it comes back to Asante region. And when we are talking about it, Obi say, hey, 4 different dates of completion. And you say you will Kumasi International Airport. 4 different dates. Dr. Kingsley Nyako, Ebisa first one, are the Deputy Transport Minister on behalf of the Minister. Ebema response said, June 2023, Kumasi International Airport will be completed. I mean, and so anta nanado otiko koso ho. O can't tell why say by April this year, just a week ago. Nanado dan kwa akofo na nkasa e ma ni date, ni who date. E wo menhia. Akwini. Nanado na also don't worry. By June 2023, I will be done with Kumasi Airport. No kura semo Kofi Asante kan ye. Ana madani atamfo de aye beka at the State of the Nation's address. Okanse bebre, but among them one of the major issues Etoja Ghana for year much interested, especially Kumasi International Airport. Now the International Airport when Nyame adma made this year ye be wie. Na ye be wie handing over at the ama na ya trading prempe the first international airport. 87.9 Kumasi. Eteye manfo dodo na ani age. Some of us are of course happy. So we're hearing news of this. Ibn are very, very, very skeptical. Ibn say enya de yeti ni di kan. Now on several occasions you have some of these news to draw we are saying Abino is not able to fulfill the promises on that. And of course man for credit say the usual talk. And I took time to get much details about the Kumasi International Airport. And dates I would buying at the announced completion. And I want to believe in all sincerity, say at least we should be able to finish this and fulfill this date as is being told by the President of the Republic. Now, 87.9 Kumasi. On 27th, okay. In one of the several stories about Kumasi International Airport, one of them, several stories, but there are several dates about Bontain. Now, one of them was scheduled for June 30th. June 30th, Kumasi International Airport. So by June 30th, and that story was on December 7th, 2022. December 7th, 2022. Ghana News Agency story. Total completion date of Kumasi International Airport is scheduled for Friday, June 30th, 2023. Frederick Obeng Addo, Deputy Minister for Transport, has disclosed. He said this will be preceded by the handing over of the terminal on Monday, January 30th, 2023. Mr. Obeng announced on the floor of Parliament on Wednesday when he responded to question by Dr. Kingsley Nyako The new Patriotic Party Member of Parliament for Kwadaso, on behalf of Mr. Kwaku Asante, the Minister for Transport. The MP asks the Minister about the expected completion date of Kumasi International Airport. The Kumasi Airport is the national airport in Ghana, serving Kumasi, the capital of Asante region. In 2001, the airport handled, in 2021, the airport handled over 400,000 passengers, making it the second busiest airport in Ghana after the Kotoka International Airport. Kumasi International Airport, the kilometer baby a war, blah blah blah. Mr. Obin told Parliament that while the runway extension will be handed over Friday, March 31st, 31st March 2023, and the control tower fire service would also be handed over on Wednesday, May 31st, 2023. And the quote, in 2003, Kumasi was declared an international airport primarily for regional operations with full completion of security, customs, and immigration. We a one story on Kumasi International Airport. But bra Facebook page. The person you be to me boasena me eniama hodoa any report ahodoa videos ahodoa and some ahodoa ya kan nyina one after the other. Edi kyerɛw na uwie a wate ase ehu sɛ well Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo edi date atudwa. Nobody is wanting to becoming a prophet of doom, but it is only my prayer and my utmost prayer and prayer. Say date ya ken. Ibitimi was say ayo. And in fact, Ocean Samahodwa, yentie de Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo enra. And the president was very emphatic. Enra data on one kasa Edia Tudja say the airport will be done, and not just being done, but will be completed on May. In fact, your March and then 28 February, and they say, "Now me add my watchna." Until me find it's February is out. March, April, May, 3 months. Ghana for 3 months. And how to say it will be what? Commissioned. Completed. Hey. Omeleme. Overhead there see nanka ye wo overpass no. Ya anye. Ene egusua. Ena yesi mo pe kwanti aye kwan e de amamo. And all the inconveniences it comes back to Asante region. And when we are talking about it, Obi say, hey, 4 different dates of completion. And you say you will Kumasi International Airport. 4 different dates. Dr. Kingsley Nyako, Ebisa first one, are the Deputy Transport Minister on behalf of the Minister. My response said, June 2023, Kumasi International Airport will be completed. I mean, and so anta Nana Addo Otiko Koswo. Or can't tell why say by April this year, just a week ago. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo nan kasa emani date, ni who date. Oh, Menshia. Akwini. Nana Addo na. Also, don't worry. By June 2023, I will be done with Kumasi Airport. And we have a commission. Many Kofi Asante airport. 77% complete. January, that was 77%. Now 98. That time 77. Now 98.
national aircraft. Me no want to be called London. Yeah, but that's one that's a
If you want to die, do you know what to be called London?
see here to see. Sounds like your mind. Whoa, yeah, 1D, 1F.
Any dear muro hon sa, any dear muro hon sa, any dear muro hon sa, Buba, any dear muro hon sa. You be a noka, Esimianka. You be a noka, Esimianka. Kujina Wahinin, as a president of the republic, I will need Musika. Say, I know where to get the money, where I don't get the money. No what to abroswa ufri oko wi aso mako keka bi a kire na ba Kwame Nkrumah the minister baako sim twetwe bi a mako keka bi a kire wo na me adum se no awso mrase do obi anim so on mako na yenim say ya when it kind any kind a ye didi nsam no ye hu chen wo mo a o mo di before mo ni so when it da ho na wo ya de ye mu bi ye nom hwe ye ni da ho ni ye boy adwen a kire wo ye ni da ho ni ye bu ye ni da ho no ogina wo hinani wo di ntro na ni da ho wo bu ye eni ene na me twen senka ye betimi abo interchange swame eso 5 different occasions and ye start can swame interchange ho asem na Addo dan kwa Akofo Addo deliver date or say Kumasi International Airport by May nyame adoma ebewie. From technical discussion, yene mpenimfo aye. 2% of the airport na wono. Okoja mama mi video na etie for menchira made. Why is Kumasi Airport yenwie? Edan no ne conveyor belt, security, everything yewie. Sa de we yewie bibia. Adenti de yenyusu airport no. Mama menchira made. Wow, sa terminal we wa hey. It is said they walk on crying. Now you terminal 3 and terminal 2, the local one. And Kaway could be separate. But Kumasi the ano the iron say. Modu airport one, baby a car park ever down ho. Na yabubo tent na. Sisi ukwa eye waiting room no. Unze yaje yadinua nchense age eho a ufri the new one no eba any aye road diversions any ade now this is it as ye sa tent na esi eho no efri ho Akuma FM ye tent ni free ho na the existing airport na esi wo sisia no old one no nkasa dan no ordinarily esi ebu free ho na ye link muteni ye pa o on link the new one no ebe bom ebe bod the existing old one na esi honim said ebe ya flight ebe lande ehoni nyina ebe ma straight link e de akwakobo the new one new one we dey ewie and last year ton who be bia urema fe everything is in there complete. I don't know for now whether say as we speak your background operations at the old terminal na ho as we speak mpenifo na adwo no move akọ site akoye adwuma March, April. There were only 2 months. Last flight at Kumasi and they at 8. by 8:30. But on most occasions, I'm a crab the last flight bar. I land at the airport by 8:39. So, I'm penning for Nkoma any technical team didn't say the work will be done in the night. About 6 and a panel mapon. So on this 2021, anyway, in 2019 budget, Uro Furiata, Eddie, of any say, the same airport, any interchange, any Kumasi rules.